How are you guys? So I'm here again with a new beginner, newbie, or if you just don't remember, just know how to video. So we will just today see how to initialize a Git repository for your existing project, which is on your local machine, and then just push that or push your changes to your newly created repository. So all you need to do, so yeah, I'll just assume that you have a GitHub account. If not, just create one, and when you will be on the home page, you will see this new button. So yeah, or you can just go to like your repository or your profile. So just go to your repositories, click on new. If you have an existing project, so we will just say no template, nothing, and then just the repository name. So like I am giving some name, description, okay, want it public or private based on your choice. I prefer public. Yeah, it's nice. We are all already learning, or we are in the learning phase. If we are not doing anything for our some research or anything, so I recommend using public so that others can use and learn from it. We can add a readme file here also, or we will just leave all this empty because we will be doing all this through the command line. None, license, none, nothing. So I just click on create repository. Now GitHub is itself giving me some uh, information like quick setup. So I am assuming that you have HTTPS or SSH, I mean for GitHub to work through your local setup done. Or I'll just create a new video on that, and a link will be showing just at this moment on this video, like how to create a new account and then set up your terminal or shell for Git to work from your local terminal with your remote. Now there are various ways using SSH, using the SSH key, public private key, and then these days very latest thing is like using access tokens. So I'll be covering both of them separately in the two videos. So I'll put the links in the description of those two videos, like how to set up Git for using through the command line. But yeah, in this topic, let's just go through. We have all that covered, and we had our account, we logged in, we repository, we clicked on new button, and yeah, after that we will just need to do this. Yeah, just copy it and just go to the project which is your existing project where you want to do these things. Okay, so to demonstrate it, I'll be just uh, creating a, let's assume we have some new folder. Let's have it on my desktop itself. New folder with my current local proj source code. Let's say we had this. So just open terminal at that folder location or cd it, whatever you use or you prefer, and let's just for the sake of simulating, let's have something dot txt as something in it, and like we had some existing source code in the project, and then just copy paste these commands here, and it's just done. So you just have to like push. So yeah, we push, I copy pasted, I entered. So I have SSH set up. It is asking me for my SSH key passphrase. Now even in that we have two cases. If we have SSH key passphrase set, only then it asks for the passphrase. Passphrase is nothing, it is just a pin code. So, or a password. So I have just set up it like a pin code for easy. Now whatever I have typed is not showing in the terminal for security reasons, or yeah, and press enter. So it just pushed it, everything is pushed, and we can even check the git status. So your branch is up to date with origin/main, and so we are in sync with the remote main branch. Our local main is in sync with the remote main, and yeah, so like something.txt like now the I want to like commit. So for that I just need to do git add and dot and enter, and after that we simply just git commit hyphen m with some commit message like fast commit. So this is all just any message, press enter. You have to have it in the string quotes. It is just a string literal the command is taking after the hyphen m flag or parameter of the command. Press enter. One file changed. So yeah, after that we can do git push origin main, give our passphrase, and done. And now if we go to check for git status, our branch main is up to date with origin/main, and we have nothing unstaged. You see, earlier when we initialized the git repository, even created a main branch and everything by just copy pasting this, and we had some source code uncommitted, which will be the case because you have some project, you have never set up git init. This is for that specific use case. So after that we checked with git status, we saw like every repo and everything is being created, but our files or our source code were not committed. So we simply added all of the directories and files using git add dot, just staged everything, and then we committed here we committed, yeah, this line. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, this is the command where we committed, you see. And after that it just committed everything, asked me for my passphrase. All those things will be covered in a separate video because they are not part of this specific use case or problem. And just to keep the video short, and finally we again check the status, everything is up to date. So in this way we have like uploaded our existing source code to our remote git repository. That's all, guys. Now you can finally just go here, and if you click on code, we will be seeing our text file here. Something is wrong, my net is actually working very slowly. Let me refresh it again. Okay, you see, readme was created by the default command, by some initial command suggestions we copied from the git and those were given to us by the Git when we chose nothing, no template or nothing. And we even didn't initialize readme from the website's UI, GitHub website's UI. We used those commands through the terminal only. So they are universal to all of the GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, all providers. Those commands are universal. Okay, because under the hood they are all using it, but the UI could be different. That is why I went through that approach. Those commands you can have in your dev notes. So yeah, even these last two commands, as a developer you will be always be using git add dot to stage your files, and then git commit with -m flag man, then giving the message, and then git pushing, like here we pushed git push a new origin to where, to origin main branch, if some other branch to origin to dev branch, so like that. So that's all, signing off now. Thank you.